Are you seeing this scary screen system error E101 on your Xbox? Don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through simple step-by-step fixes to get your console back up and running fast. First, try a simple restart. Press and hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds until the console turns off. Then unplug the power cable for a minute, plug it back in and restart. Sometimes this clears temporary glitches. If restarting doesn't work, you'll need an offline system update. Here's how. First, on a PC, download the update file from the official Xbox website. Then format a USB drive to NTFS and copy the update file onto it. Plug the USB into your Xbox, then boot into the Xbox Startup Troubleshooter by holding the bind plus eject buttons and pressing the power button. From the menu, select Offline System Update. This reinstalls the system software and usually clear the E101 error. If the offline update doesn't work, try a factory reset from the startup troubleshooter. Choose reset and keep my games and apps first. If that fails, you may need to reset everything, which will erase your data, but it can fix corrupted system files. If none of this works, the issue might be hardware related. In that case, head over to support.xbox.com or contact Microsoft for repair options. And that's how you fix Xbox system error E101. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Xbox tips,